am I doing here? Huh? Just a couple of weeks ago, I was having fun times in a jacuzzi. I was swimming in an infinity pool. I was eating different types of delicious food from all over the world. My boss didn't tell me anything about this. Okay, so I will be going to beautiful places and I will travel a lot and have a lot of fun. I think you can see how much fun this is.
Cut!
Cut! Of course cut. Dude, I'm devastated. You guys are already working hard enough to make this project come to an end as soon as possible for the customers. And now that's not enough. You're gonna make me work as well. Oh, wait, my phone. Yes, boss. Yeah, I'm listening. Really? That's amazing. Okay. We'll come over as soon as we finish the shooting. All right, bye. Our boss is taking us to a Bosphorus trip with a yacht. I love my job. Let's go! Hey guys, today we're here in the most beautiful district of Istanbul, Çamlıca. This place has the most astonishing view in all of Istanbul. I cannot praise this project enough. First of all, it is traditional. An amazing project that values the privacy of the family concept. In terms of location, this place is close to all four corners of Istanbul. Investors are already lining up to buy this project because this place will not stop gaining value. Guys, welcome to the Ala Çamlıca Mansions. Ala Çamlıca Mansions is very advantageous due to its location. Very close to land, sea, and railways. Both Bosphorus bridges are at site level. The E5 highway, metro bus, and Marmaray are just a couple of minutes away. If you're looking for transportation by sea, it's right in front of you. Here we have 7 blocks and a total of 89 very special apartments on an area of 14,315 square meters, which have been designed for you to live your life to the fullest. Now look, I know this place is under construction, but it has great promises for the future. Now let's go to the balcony and have a look from there. I can imagine this place once it's ready to move in. Just a visual feast. Look at this view. Isn't it amazing? Just a panoramic view. You can literally see everywhere from a bird's eye view, guys. Look over there. There we have the biggest mosque of the Republic of Turkey, ladies and gentlemen, the Grand Çamlıca Mosque. Look how close it is. It is so close you can go and pray at prayer time whenever you want. And if you want any further information about the mosque, we have a special video on that. You can check it out right here. This mosque with its 6 minarets is so huge that 63,000 people can pray here at the same time. If necessary, it can provide shelter to a total of 100,000 people. Downstairs, there are 8 art workshops and a conference room for 1,000 people. Once this place is entirely finished, it will have many social facilities like indoor swimming pools, cafeterias, saunas, steam rooms, relaxation areas, ornamental pools, what else? Children's playground, interactive football fields, walking tracks, and so much more. Whew. Living here means a very healthy life because Ala Çamlıca mansions are right next to the Çamlıca Grove. So whenever you want to go for a great walk or run, you can come here and get yourself some fresh air since there's plenty of oxygen here. Or you can have a coffee break at the shore of Üsküdar. If you want, you can visit some of the tombs that are in this area. The good thing is, senior executives, famous businessmen, and many powerful people who shape Turkey's economy live here in this region. Even the home of the president of this country is very close. And once this project is completed, the most distinguished names of Turkey will be your neighbors. But most importantly, you will be able to enjoy a traditional and comfortable life with this beautiful, magnificent panoramic view. If you choose one of the 3+1, 4+1, or 6+1 options before the project is completed, you will be the winner. Because when the construction is done, the prices will increase. This is a great opportunity to invest. You shouldn't miss this one, really. By the way, let's not forget that there are duplex options in 4+1 and 6+1. It is beautiful during the day, but the night view is also fascinating. At night, this place is like a fairy tale city. Believe me, everyone is going to want to live here once the construction is finished. If you want to live here or invest in here, call us and take advantage of the special opportunities for Investo Global ASAP.